Hello everyone, this is Pet Crochets. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted in 2023. I didn't realize how much stuff I had until I pulled it all together. So this is my big pile of things that I accumulated over the 2023 year. Today we're going to be doing part 1, which is going to be bottoms, so basically pants, shorts, and skirts. In regards to the bottoms, this is actually all of the bottoms I've ever crocheted since starting my crochet journey. I only really started making my own patterns and experimenting with making my own garments in early 2023, so around January to February. This is also true for most of the tops I crocheted. There are a few tops I used tutorials for, and then for the 2 dresses I crocheted, those I created my own patterns for. So it's nice to be able to look back and see how far I've come, especially within a year and since I started making my own patterns. A lot of these pieces also have tutorials, so I'll be linking that above if you're interested in creating your own. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. We're starting off this video with this string of pearls mini skirt. I wore this so much through the summertime. It has an elastic waistband and this beautiful string of pearls detail in the front. I used the True Boo bamboo yarn because it has such nice drape and it's also very airy and light, which was perfect for the summertime. And then for the hem, I added this nice textured detail. So this is more of an A-line skirt, although it's still very fitted. I also do have a tutorial for this skirt, so I'll be linking that above, or you can check out my bottoms playlist. This is just a simple blue mini skirt and it has a very small scalloped edge at the hem with an elastic waistband. I recently crocheted this. It's part of a set that I created for New Year's Eve. I posted a video on my shorts and my Instagram showing the completed set. I actually didn't have a ton of yarn to create that set, so I figured making a mini skirt was the best way to conserve as much yarn as possible. I'll be creating the tutorial for both the top and this simple mini skirt soon, so stay on the lookout for that video. This is the first skirt I've ever crocheted. It's this red mini skirt with a mesh at the bottom. As you can see, it has no elastic waistband. I tried doing a front post and back post type of waistband. This is one of the first pieces I created when I was practicing making my own pattern. So she's definitely not perfect. You can tell the waistband's a little wonky. The fit is also a little bit too big. I have a piece of yarn at the top holding it up right now, but if I didn't, it would slide right down to my ankles. This was definitely the gateway to me making my own skirt patterns and then also adding an elastic waistband. This next skirt is an open split maxi skirt. This is actually the second skirt I crocheted in this style. I'm going to be showing the first one that I ever made. I actually do have a tutorial for this in the works. This is one of my favorite skirts. I made this with a crochet thread or lace weight yarn, so it's very, very breezy and light. I just love the look of the open split back. It kind of reminds me of those 90s style denim skirts that were really long and open in the back. That's kind of where I got the idea from. My mom used to wear those kinds of skirts all the time, so I wanted to recreate it with crochet. This skirt's not entirely done yet, but once it's done, I will have the tutorial coming very soon. This is that first skirt that I was telling you about. It's the same open split style, but in a different color. This is, I believe, in the color Natural. I will be honest, making these skirts in the crochet thread or lace weight thread takes a very, very long time because it is a long skirt and the yarn is so thin. However, I will say it's definitely worth it. I love the shape, the drape, I love the way it fits my body, and I wore this so much through the summertime. It's just so easy to either dress up or dress down, so I'm absolutely in love with this skirt and I can't wait to finish the other white one. If you don't like using the crochet thread or don't like the style, I'll have everything measurement based so you can make it using any type of yarn and crochet hook. I feel like the previous skirt and this skirt are neck to neck in terms of how much I love them. This is my shelled layered maxi skirt that I crocheted for the Stevie Nicks concert. I have no words for this skirt. I absolutely adore this skirt and it has so many good memories attached to it, so it just makes it all the more meaningful. And it was my first time kind of thinking outside the box and creating something that is a little bit unusual, yet in my eyes, beautiful. It's not for everyone, but I think it's just such an interesting, flowy and textured skirt. So I definitely love it, especially paired with some boots. I do have the tutorial up for this skirt, so if you're interested in learning how I created this, go check that video out. I also have a matching corset top that goes with the skirt, so check that out as well. We are now going to move on to shorts. The first pair is this lacy shell shorts. I really love this lace design. It also has a scalloped or shell design around the leg hole openings. I created this skirt as a pool cover up or something to wear to the beach, but honestly it also looks really cute with some fleece nude tights and a plain white top as well. If you like the design of the lace, I actually started off by making a lace dress in the same design and then decided to create a pair of shorts as well. So I'll be linking that video above if you're interested. The next pair of shorts I have are these textured shorts that also have that kind of scalloped shell edge around the leg hole openings. For these shorts, I also used that same True Boo bamboo yarn, so these are also very silky, airy, and light, and they were perfect for the summertime. These shorts also have an elastic waistband, and for the stitches are actually crossed over, and it gives it that nice textured design. Because of that type of stitching, it's very open and airy and light. You can wear them with nude shorts or nude undergarments, or even wear them for lounging around or as a beach cover-up, so I think it's very versatile. I also have a matching top that goes with these shorts, so if you're interested, I will have the video linked above, and I also do have the tutorial for these shorts, so I will also be linking that above if you want to make your own pair. Next up, we have these Ruffle lounge shorts. For these shorts, I didn't use an elastic waistband, so it has a tie along the top and some wooden beads to hold the ends. I crocheted these shorts for vacation, so it was a poolside staple. I was also able to transition them from the poolside to kind of a nighttime look with a nicer top and some heels. So again, very versatile, very comfortable, soft, and actually very quick to build up. I do have a tutorial for these shorts, so click on the link above. Next up, we have these long flared pants. These were the first pants I've ever crocheted. Up to date, I've only crocheted 2 pairs of pants. I don't have a tutorial for these pants up yet, but I will be working on a pair of pants very soon and we'll have that going. These are the same pants I have on in my how to block video, so I'll have that linked above. For the last item, we have these really cozy lounge pants with a side pocket detail. I crocheted these pants to wear on a flight, and now they're my staple pants every time I go traveling. They're just so cozy and comfortable. It doesn't have an elastic waistband, but it has a very sturdy tie waist detail. Compared to the previous pants, these aren't as fitted. They're more of a straight leg and wider pants, but I feel like that design is what makes it so comfortable. So they're perfect for lounging around in or for traveling, and that side pocket is just perfect enough to carry little items or your phone, so it came in really handy. I do have a tutorial for these pants, so I'll have that linked above. Check them out. And I also have a matching top that goes with this lounge set that I'm still working on, so stay tuned. One of my big goals for 2024 is to crochet more pants. I have one in the works as well, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those tutorials. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. Those are all the bottoms I crocheted in 2023. For the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the tops I crocheted as well as some of the dresses. And then I might do a separate video for all of the accessories such as bags, hats, leg warmers, and some items for your dog. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!